just like DJ. If she can have it, I don't need it. I'd rather have my money clean like clean. I don't put too much, cause they be poppin'. Disrespect me, you see what happened. I don't need to put the boss, don't stop me. I might just hit it door, that's on my element. I like baskets, double melody, talk, pushing me to talk. When I'm stepping in, 30 bottles at the school till I'm filling it. I had the Lambo, switch to the Barbie. I'm a gangster, but I like to party. I'm a turkey, I'm retarded. I'm a purple nigga, I'm cold-hearted. That's why I like the black girl, like David. Every time she see me, she wanna hate me. I feel like Justin Bieber, please believe me. I said bye, I'm on the TV. I can't fuck with broke bitches, they be creepy. She be acting up, she always tryna leave me. But she a bad girl, and she freaky. I have her hanging off the ball like she needy. I never hit a bitch more than if she don't be leeches. Bro, pussy girl, it tastes like peaches. If she can have it, I don't need it. I'd rather have my money green like clean. I don't come to niggas, cause they be capping. Disrespect me, and see what happened. I don't need to cook the boss, don't snap it. But it's flashed it, all I have smacked, that I laughed it. You say what's happening, nothing but my money. Remember my pockets flat, now they tell me I ain't a dirty boy, but I ain't ugly. When I take your bitch in a second, if she a real one, then I'll protect you. Traded the 80, so much you ain't protected. And it's all you got.
Look.
I take you to the barber shop. I'll even let you hold my cock. Go ahead, girl, since I'm so raw. Keep going till you reach the top.
Look. See, I be bringing it in. I know my people want the product, cause my shit is legit. I got a different attitude, cause now you dealing with me. And I ain't in the kitty talk shit, I don't play with the pen. I break it down, I crack it up, I move the shit by the beat. I got the perfect recipe, that's pussy pound on a tree. And I don't pop much, but I'm a piece of the leash. Yo, ain't go unless they co-sign for me. You heard? I run the shit, you know about me. Been making waves, the whole tsunami. And I don't know what you heard about me. Took a little sip, I got you, like I said.
To the barber shop. I'll even let you hold my cock. Go ahead, girl, since I'm so raw. Keep going till you reach the top. I'll take you to the barber shop. It might not be on my cock. One little taste of what I got. I have you spending all you got. Look at having your way. Whatever you want, cause you know that I got it. So you know that I'm worth it. I get the swerving, got to be certain. In person I'm serving. There's a cop steady lurking and it's making me nervous. I can break the weed down for you, clean and simple. You get a buzz coming, I can see when you dimple. You say that how you go ahead and using your mental, so just be gentle. Be sure to pop the pill like a pimple. I told my barber, oh, you know it cut up slow. I keep it plugged in case a nigga run up, yo. Debating on the barber, cause he's waiting to get cut. I push your hairline farther as I pop out the cut. To the barber shop, I'll even let you hold my cock. Go ahead, girl, since I'm so raw. Keep going till you reach the top.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much.